Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here, and today we're going to be looking at the question, cuanto cuesta? I am in your OneNote, Chapter 8, on the page cuanto cuesta, cuanto cuestan. I'm going to eliminate the table of contents, and let's look at the little information at the top. This family is having a conversation. The same color bubbles go together. Let's start with the little boy. Cuanto cuesta la sopa? The mom answers, La sopa cuesta $2.10. The little girl asks, La niña, ¿Cuánto cuestan los vegetales para la ensalada? Y el padre contesta, Los vegetales cuestan $12 en total. Now the woman to the right asks, ¿Cuánto cuesta la comida en total? Yo necesito pagar efectivo. Well, there's a couple words we haven't had yet. So pagar, to pay. And what's the most effective way to pay? Cash. Okay. Let's take a look at this, what we're talking about today. Cuanto cuesta, cuanto cuestan. So costar means to cost. Okay. It is an O-to-U-E verb, but it only has two forms, cuesta and cuestan. It's a backwards verb like gustar. It changes based on the number of items you are asking about. So let's go to the green box. So if you're asking about one item, it's going to be cuanto cuesta. Well, I'm going to add the whole thing. Cuanto, quantity. Cuanto cuesta. Just an A. If you're talking about two or more items, it's going to be cuanto cuestan. Okay, so cuesta versus cuestan. Now, for your task today, circle the correct form of costar. Is it cuesta or cuestan? To decide, you have to look at the item being asked about. So finish that work, and then down below, use the pictures below to answer the questions in complete Spanish sentences. See the example. ¿Cuánto cuesta el cinturón? So you'd have to go down, you'd have to find the cinturón, which is the blue price tag, because it is the example, ejemplo, and then go back up and say, okay, let's look at that price again, $37.50. So I'm just writing it here. And if I were you, I would write it like, let's look at the first one, la falda. I would write it here. So that you can then write it out in a complete sentence. El cinturón cuesta $37.50. Okay, that's it. Just a quick video. Gracias.